Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over two-factor authentication in subscription services. I'm currently in the subscription management tab of the Inhouz Cloud console. For this video, we're going to focus on an internal subscription service called Demo App Dev. So the app here, has two pages, one of which is unrestricted, which we're looking at now, and the other one is restricted. All right. I have also the service that connects to this application. I have it all set up here. And to look at the two-factor configuration, all we need to do is go to the configurations and go to the two-factor rules tab. Currently, there is no real way to customize the two-factor authentication, I guess, specs. Like, there's no way to decide if you want it to be just mobile or email. Right now it's strictly just email based two-factor authentication, meaning that when a user tries to log in, they get a message sent to their email with a code, and then they would have to put in that code to gain access. So the way it works is that you can configure the interval to which you want your two-factor authentication to trigger. So if you wanted it to just be once a day at the most, then you put 24 hours. If you wanted it to only happen once every, let's say, 24,000 hours, you could basically just do that. And then the system will be like, well, whenever someone logs in with the two-factor authentication on that specific device, until they've met the 24,000 hour requirements, they will not be asked to two-factor anymore. So let's just go ahead and try and log into this application. I believe our user here was Jane Doe at inhouse.io. I actually don't know what the user is, so I'm just going to go over here and just say, what are my users for, call it the demo app dev. I can just do a quick search here. Let's look at the subscriptions. Let's put the service. I don't even need to look too far. I can see that I am a subscriber, so I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email. There we go. So here you have it. I have been sent the two-factor authentication to my email. And if I just copy that and paste it in here, voila, I'm in. And I no longer need to do that for at least the next 24 hours because that is the current configuration that we have set up. So, okay, what if, I do not want two-factor authentication any longer? Well, that is also straightforward. I can just go ahead and turn this off. Let's save this. Let's go ahead and deploy this. Now, to redemo this, I'm just going to copy this link. I'm already signed up on my Chrome browser. What I'm going to do here is just open up an Edge browser, pull that into the view, paste that in there, go ahead and sign in. All right, so when I go to my restricted page, I have to put in my email. And there you have it. I was able to log in without needing to do any two-factor authentication because I turned that off. So there you have it. We've basically gone through two-factor authentication and how to enable it, disable it, configure it. At this moment, two-factor authentication is just based on a user's email. In the future, it will be extended to text messages as well. And look out for that. It's coming very soon. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you've learned how to add two-factor to your to your applications. I'll see you in the next one.